for us as a business, I mean, we're up to 60% cheaper with raw materials from this platform.
This machine is an FFF machine, fused filament fabrication machine, and this gentleman has just bought it. Paul, congratulations.
Thank you.
So these are supplied by Matsuura here in the UK. It's a HP machine.
Yep.
Why did you buy this?
So for us, fused filament fabrication, or FDM as it's more widely known in the market, has been the core of Midlands 3D ever since we started. So our entire business grew on the back of that. We have one of the largest print farms in the UK now. What we were able to do is do some of the top-end materials, but not the very top-end sort of Ultems and Peaks and really engineering grade materials. That's the intention with this machine.
And it's two machines, isn't it? Or this is, what happens over this side?
So this is the material management system. This is actually where the material's stored to make sure, really important thing with this kind of material is that it's properly stored, properly managed, it's dried, it's kept at the right temperature. So this system here is literally a cabinet just to hold the material. And then when we use it, we take it out of the cabinet, we put it into the side of the machine and then print with it straight away. And then when we're finished, it goes straight back in the cabinet to look after it.
And how does it all work? Because it's slightly different to what you have now.
Yeah, so I mean, our core from Matsuura is the HP multi-jet fusion, and that has its place and it's brilliant. But this is, for us, is following on, like I say, from the FDM technologies. It's the same technology, but it's using a much hotter chamber, using much higher temperature nozzles and more industrial grade materials. But at the heart of it, it's actually a very similar system. It's material coming off a reel, going through a hot nozzle and building up a part from the ground up off a flatbed. And
what gains are you going to see then from this?
Well, actually, we already have customers that are saying, when are we going to do those kind of materials?
Nice.
We already outsource them, which is pains me to hear it, but we have customers that don't actually buy from us at the moment for those kinds of materials. And they're the ones that we really want to satisfy better. We're already doing volume manufacturing with FDM for some of them, for MJF as well, and we really want to just make sure that we get the full package from them. And our engineering customers in particular, our motorsport customers, definitely aerospace, rail. We have certified materials with here, so we can provide a full traceability of the material right through to the finished product. We can't do that today with any of our other technologies. So having this really opens up some doors to some other conversations that we can't currently have.
And are there any key personal benefits to yourselves?
For us as a business, I mean, we're up to 60% cheaper with raw materials from this platform. So Ultem, for example, up to 60% cheaper from any other platform. And Peak carbon fibre, very important material for a lot of our motorsport customers. It's only available, as I understand it, on this particular machine. So, again, we get the traceability, we get those industrial level materials on our platform to existing customers, which is brilliant.
You mentioned earlier about the HP product. You've already had a lot of support through Matsuura.
Yeah.
Is that another reason why you've gone for this? Because it gives you confidence, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, Matsuura have been with us since day one. We bought our first MJF machine, and they've run alongside us throughout. They've been supportive in pretty much all ways, financially, service-wise. Literally with us all the way through our growth journey. Kind of feel like one of the family almost, which is great.
It's a good feeling.
Yeah, absolutely. It does make a difference. Yes, you can be loyal to a brand, but you need to be loyal to the service provider as well. And to me, that makes a massive difference.
Partnership.
Absolutely.
Thank you.